Welcome to Stats 243A. I'm looking forward to having you all for the next two terms for Stats 243A and B. In order to move on to Stats 243B, you do need a C- or better in this course, and you do need both A and B to count for 243Z. The class is broken up into 10 weeks, obviously, so 10 weekly assignments, each 25 points, done on a system called MyOpenMath. And what's nice about MyOpenMath is that it allows you to redo the homework as many times as you need to do it in order to understand the concepts and to get full credit. So it's due every Sunday at midnight. In addition to that 250 points, there are 3 labs. They're 50 points each, and they happen week 3, week 6, and week 9. We are rewriting the labs this term, so those will be posted shortly, but there'll be new labs. Hopefully you'll find them entertaining. They will be in Minitab, and for the first 2 labs, I will do the labs with you on a video, so you should have some help with those. Those are 50 points each, and again, you can resubmit labs if you didn't get it right and would like to get a full credit on that. There's one midterm, it's 200 points, and it is week 5 of the term. And this term, I've given you the whole week to prepare for the midterm. I find that people really seem to struggle with that first midterm, and then do better on the final, but that midterm seems to take people a little bit hard. So you have the whole week to prepare. That's week 5. And then you'll have your final, which is 250 points. The finals and the midterms are open notes, not open book, not open people, not open AI, not open anything other than open notes and calculator and Minitab. So you may use Minitab, a calculator, and your notes. I really encourage you to keep a spiral notebook and just have each problem that you do, just write it down in your notebook. Chapter 1, and here are my problems. I'm writing them down in my notebook as I'm submitting them on the computer. And have that written record. It's pretty clear to learning theorists that if you write things down, if you physically write things down and synthesize them with your own notes and go back and review them, you are going to remember things so much better than just submitting them on a computer. So please take the time to write down your notes. It will help you immensely on the final exam, because the final exam is just problems pulled randomly from your homework. So if you just, everybody's going to have a slightly different final because they're all randomly going to be pulled from each homework assignment. So if you have all of those problems written down with little notes to yourself on how you did that or why that works, then that's really going to help you a lot on the exam. Strongly encourage you to take really good notes as you're going through the homework. We have open help sessions for all the statistics students, all of my stats classes, so 243A, 243B, and 243Z, Wednesday nights from 6:30 to 8:30. So those will be recorded. If you just don't want to sit through a Wednesday night open office hours, or you just are working Wednesday night, or you have another class, or whatever your life entails, if you just make sure you email me your questions by 6 o'clock on Wednesday, I'll do them on the video, and then you can watch the video and see what you think. Please know all these videos are uncut and unedited, so I'm just, talking and then recording it and posting it. I'm not editing it. So if I seem a little spacey, it's because I didn't edit anything out. I'm not going to. It would take way too much time and would not be a productive use of my time. Sometimes I'm just sitting there all by myself with a Zoom screen and a recorder, editing videos or answering questions. So sometimes my mind will float a little bit. I am really looking forward to working with you this term. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to email me Especially during exams, if you're taking a midterm exam and something is going crazy, and it's before 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 p.m. and after 8:30 a.m. In reasonable hours, feel free to text me. My phone number is on the syllabus too. It's easier to do that. Much easier. I'm getting some background noise here. So anyway, I look forward to working with you this term. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And I hope this is a good experience for you all. Thanks.